Meanwhile, a Fort Worth ISD educator has filed a lawsuit in an effort to get her job back now. She was reassigned by the district after facing some major backlash online.
Lacey Beasley joins us live in Fort Worth this morning with an update. And Lacey, this kind of all started when the district posted a photo of that teacher on social media.
That's right. Good morning, Carmen and Madison. This started when Fort Worth ISD posted a picture of Shayma Alzubi wearing a hijab, and that sparked some concern online when some people started digging into her social media history. That sparked a lot of controversy, and it even led Alzubi to file a federal lawsuit claiming that the district violated her First Amendment rights. Now, Shayma Alzubi is a Palestinian and Muslim educator who has spent 13 years with Fort Worth ISD. She was recently promoted to principal at Western Hills High before being reassigned within the district. Now, this is the photo of her wearing a hijab that led to the backlash on social media. Days later, the district removed her to desk work and non-principal duties and even launched an investigation. Now, according to a new federal lawsuit filed by Alzubi, the criticized pictures include one of her posing with a drawing for a Chili's coloring contest, but at the bottom it reads, quote, "Jerusalem is the capital of Palestine," end quote. Other posts highlighted in the lawsuit include Alzubi promoting mask wearing during COVID-19 and another featuring a Black Lives Matter image. Now, at Tuesday's school board meeting, more than 60 people signed up to speak, most in support for her, including students, though critics argued her past posts should disqualify her from the position.
Parents expect schools to teach reading, writing, science, and history, not competing systems of governance.
Placing someone who has publicly defended this framework in a leadership position over children's education raises serious questions about impartiality.
Don't let what a few bullies say about her over social media decide her role in our community.
This is such a clear constitutional violation, is that the only thing that's happened here is they posted an image of her, of a visibly, evidently Arab Muslim woman.
Now, we reached out to the district and they said they will not comment pending the litigation, though they did say that her social media posts do violate their district policy. They also gave no indication of when this investigation would end. Carmen, Madison.
Lacey, thank you so much for the latest there.